Join me as I dive deep into the mind-bending world of quantum mechanics and see if I can unlock its secrets using just my brain. The concept of quantum mechanics has always fascinated me, and I'm sure many of you out there too, because it's just so unusual. I mean, think about it. A world where particles can exist in multiple places at once, where entanglement lets them communicate instantaneously, and where the act of observation itself changes the outcome. It's like our classical understanding of reality gets turned upside down. But have you ever stopped to think, what if our minds play a role in all of this? What if in some way our consciousness influences the behavior of particles at a quantum level? Many people struggle to wrap their heads around quantum mechanics because it's so far removed from our everyday experience. And that's completely fair. It's a complex, abstract concept that can be difficult to visualize. Add to that the various interpretations and theories surrounding it, and it's no wonder people get confused. One common misconception is that quantum mechanics is somehow magical, that it defies the laws of physics as we know them. But the truth is, it's a well-documented, rigorously tested scientific theory that's been proven time and time again. Another challenge is that people often try to apply classical thinking to quantum phenomena, which just doesn't work. You can't use the same rules to explain both the macro and the quantum world. One of the biggest hurdles to understanding quantum mechanics is the language itself. It's full of technical jargon that can be overwhelming, especially for those without a background in physics. And even for those who do have a background, the terminology can be misleading, hiding the true nature of the concepts beneath. For example, the term Schrödinger's cat might evoke images of a cat in a box, but it's actually a thought experiment designed to illustrate the concept of superposition. Then there's the problem of scaling. It's one thing to understand quantum mechanics at the particle level, but how do we translate that to larger systems like, say, the human brain? But despite these challenges, people continue to be drawn to quantum mechanics because of its potential to reveal some deeper truth about the universe. And that's what I want to explore today. The possibility that our minds, our consciousness, might hold the secret to unlocking the mysteries of quantum mechanics. Now, let's dive into some of the theories that try to connect our minds to quantum phenomena. One of the most well-known is the Orchestrated Objective Reduction Theory, or ORC-OR. This theory proposes that consciousness arises from the collapse of the quantum wave function in microtubules, tiny structures within our neurons. It's a complex idea, but essentially it suggests that our minds are directly linked to the quantum world. Another theory is the many worlds interpretation, which posits that every time a quantum event occurs, the universe splits into multiple parallel universes, each with their own version of reality. This raises some fascinating questions about the nature of reality and our place within it. One of the most compelling insights into the connection between our minds and quantum mechanics comes from a phenomenon called quantum entanglement. Basically, entanglement is when two particles become connected in such a way that the state of one particle is instantly affected by the state of the other, regardless of the distance between them. Now, what if I told you that there is evidence to suggest that human brains can become entangled too? That's right. Researchers have found that when two people are in close proximity, their brain waves can become synchronized, effectively creating a quantum connection between them. Imagine the implications of this. If our minds can become entangled, does that mean we're somehow connected on a deeper level? Does it mean that our thoughts and emotions can affect the world around us in ways we're still not fully understanding? It's a pretty mind-blowing idea, and one that deserves further exploration. The idea that our minds might be influencing the quantum world is a tantalizing one, and it opens up all sorts of possibilities for how we understand the nature of reality. So to sum up, we've explored the possibility that our minds hold the secret to unlocking the mysteries of quantum mechanics. We've discussed the challenges of understanding quantum mechanics, delved into some of the theories that try to connect our minds to quantum phenomena, and revealed some fascinating insights into the connection between our consciousness and the quantum world. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the mind-bending world of quantum mechanics. If you've got thoughts on how our minds might be connected to the quantum world, share them with me in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more, be sure to check out my next video.